Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video, and I'm finally doing it. Guys, and it's happening. I'm doing COBB intake. Now, I know I already opened up this box, so I'll show you guys what comes in the box. Little fun fact, my dad makes ukuleles. Yeah, he made that. Here's the heat shield, really nice material. And one thing that I really like about this new cover piece is that they put a little badge on it instead of just a COBB sticker, like the logo. It's like a badge. That looks so sick. I did open everything, so it comes in this box right here. I guess it's the intake replacement filter, as they call it. Maybe this is what they just give you. I guess it's the same filter that they use on the Mustangs. Ooh, so comes in here, the good old hardware, hose clamps, screws. Here it is, the intake filter. Now, I freaking love the color of this filter. Even though I'm never gonna see it, just love the color of it. Oh, so it comes, well, obviously, it's gonna come pre-oiled. They're not gonna just give you a dry filter to put on. But yeah, this thing is so nice. I love it. I love that color. Also, what comes, you got this stuff right here. You got the instructions on cleaning it. Silvestre, thanks. Thanks for packing that for me. And you know, I got more of those COBB stickers. You know I'm part of that. Performance mods! You know I'm part of that now. Tim, Colin, Logan, you guys are proud of me. I'm starting to do performance mods. So, also, I know I put on the Crawford performance one, but I got this sweet COBB one. And then in here, alright, and in this box right here, we got the little hose, has a little COBB logo on it. This connects to the turbo, the extended the MAF sensor cord, so then it connects to the intake somewhere. I think this is, if I remember, this stuff goes like this on here, around some spot on the intake. And then we got this little clamp. I'm pretty sure this holds the intake up in place somewhere, like a little support beam. And then we got the intake hose. Damn, this thing is nice. Pretty light. It has some weight to it, but it's pretty light overall. Wow, look at that. The nice bends in the intake. Woo! Look. So I'll give you guys a little representation on how the intake is. So there's this piece, and then the intake goes on that part, and it's like. So yeah, it definitely makes a sound louder because it's bigger in diameter. Also, this is the best part of the box. We got the freaking paper. Damn, dude, that's gonna look sick on my WRX. Yes. But yeah, that's all the stuff that comes in the box. Now, on to the installation. All right. So first things first, I gotta somehow make this car get off the ground. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it because it's so low. The jack that I have is this sketchy jack. Alright, so I found like these thin pieces of wood. I hope this works. I don't know, we'll see. Just need it to raise like that much. This jack is so sketchy, but I got one side on the jack, now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna just fast forward it just so you guys don't get bored. Got both ends safely on a jack. I'm gonna leave that under there just for a little bit of support. First things first, you are gonna wanna start with taking this intake box off. And the way that's gonna be done, we just take off the bolts. You think I really know how to do this? Time to get my Super's Magical Toolbox. I'm pretty sure this one, it's gonna be a 10mm socket. And I'm gonna start by unbolting things. I'm gonna start by loosening all of them. I also gotta take out this cover. Oh, whoa. Just dropped it in there. Weight reduction. Let me holy hoop, this one's hard to get to. The only reason why it's taking forever is because this is how freaking long my socket is. I don't have a bigger one.
2,000 years later.
Every little thing. Finally, dude. Oh my god. After years and years, I finally got it out. Now I go under the car and take off the whole under tray. Pretty sure with that, all you need is a flathead. Ooh, baby, look at all these scrapes. Oh my god, seriously. Look at all these. Look how many there are. Just to get this cover off. Oh my god, that's so many. Alright, got this little piece off. I unplugged the MAF sensor, I got off the whole cover tray. Just unclip this thing. And just so I don't lose bolts, I like screw them back into the place from that I take them out of. Ooh, look at this nasty thing right here. Ooh, taking that out. You know what that is? Weight reduction! My god, look at all that gunk that's been sand and stuff in there. Alright, now I'm gonna unhook the hose clamp from down there, pull out the whole intake. Holy, look at that. Stock intake. This thing is gigantic and it's bulky. So you got your MAF sensor right here. You got the whole thing taken out. Now this piece, we're gonna be reusing it. It's gonna be going back right there. So under here, this is where my wheel is. This is the under tray where the front bumper is. And then there's this intake hose. It fed through to the top of the car. That's the top of the car, that's a hood right there. And right now, I'm gonna take off this hose clamp. Look at that. And then inside there is the turbo. Got this hose, pretty easy to take off. I gotta put this hose on. So this one goes to the turbo inlet. Yep, turbo inlet hose. Intake. Look at that hose. Alright, so I basically finished installing the whole thing, but then I forgot to put these on, so don't do that. The MAF screw, it's an Allen key as well, or an Allen bolt. So, this thing, don't cut it. The smallest one goes around this ring. I remember I've been reading like comments on people who've installed this and they're saying like they had rattling issues. Maybe this is why. Oh yeah, it's a mini Hot Wheel. Look at that. Isn't that thing sick? So Jamie says she could do it real fast. So
no, I didn't say real fast, but it is always worth it.
Let's see her do it. So, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool, honestly. Now, connects to right here. Clean. Look at that. So, even with that, you still gotta keep the OEM bracket that goes right there. And you're gonna put that in the spot. So after it's looking like this, you're gonna put these bolts on right here. And ta-da, no more intake shake. And that's in place. finally properly installed after like 3 hours. So now that the intake's installed, I do have stage 1. Oh, tune, change map, reflash. So now I could go to stage 1 plus.
Off the shelf map, dude, you're gonna blow your ring lens.
And I'm doing not the highway skate one. Now I just wait. I love how I'm reading it through the camera. Alright, so show current map. Stage 1 plus. Time for a test drive. This is basically my first drive, and we're on the freeway. And I would say the first thing that I noticed is that the turbo noise is so much louder. Like, you can just hear it. Like, I'll go like 5 pounds of boost. And if the camera picks that up, it's honestly so loud, and it's weird just thinking that we get amused by air. Like, literally. It's freaking awesome. I feel economy is definitely gonna go down, but it's just fun. And the blow-off now noise is so much louder, and honestly, getting stage 1 really transforms the car. It makes you love it even more. This COBB intake, it's high quality. It's fairly easy to install. It's all straightforward. You just can't skip any steps. And I think that this intake, or any intake honestly, for your WRX is worth it. If you guys are planning on getting an intake, definitely get an intake. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you guys like the turbo noises. I'll definitely do an update video on that. And until next time, stay positive, keep doing what you want to do, and accomplish those goals. Be so positive. Peace out.